What's up, Peak Timers? It is Acura NSX showcase time, and if you're from a lot of other parts of the world, you might actually just call it the Honda NSX, but here in North America, we call it the Acura NSX, and we've got several different casting variations, including the 1990 model that I'm holding, as well as the 2017 model and some other variations. We'll start off with this one, our silver casting of this one. Good details in the back. I like that little rear wing. It looks a little bit unique compared to the real life car, a little bit different. This one does have the pop-up headlights, so we don't see any headlight tampo work or anything like that. We'll go ahead and throw that one up there. Next up, we've got a unique looking color variation right there. Some weird tampo work on the side of it. I'm not really sure about that. I like the wheels, the black wheels with that kind of glossy lip on there. Again, nice detail on the back end, and from the front end, you can see the nice looking car. All right, we got lots of different color variations of this one. The classic red colored variation, blacked out top. It's got that weird kind of blacked out spoiler look on there. I'm not sure I like that, but looks good. Dual exhaust on there. That's our other colored variation. Then we go into a yellow one. Yellow with those weird black stripes on the side. I like the black wheels with the chrome lip on this one though, and weird kind of look on the side right there for that little black striping. I don't know about that, but there we go. For yellow, you guys know how much I like my yellow cars. This one's a nice one, just a black one with some kind of like gold trim on it. I like that actually. It kind of looks cool with the gold. Although this colorway, you can see that the striping, that line, are very much the same as that one, similar to that one, not exactly. But I think the black and the gold look really, really cool. So we'll throw that one up there. And then we get into, looks like a white one. I was gonna show you this one, but I just realized that it's another silver one. So we do have a white one. There it is, white, chrome wheels, black top. It's got that kind of black look on that spoiler there as well. That's a cool looking one. I like the white. White looks pretty classic for this car, for the NSX. Then we go into this one right here, which I think this one was last year released or the year before. I can't remember exactly, but those wheels are a little bit of the newer style wheels on there. The nice Acura logo on the front of it as well. And actually, I will show you the bottom of this one so you guys can see what they call it. They call it 90 Acura NSX for all of these ones here that I'm showing you first. We'll throw that one up there. And then this is our newest one, which was just released in the K case and the L case. And this one, you can see it's got a little bit of writing and stuff on the side. And this one says NSX R, or R on the front of it. I don't really like these wheels, to be honest. I prefer like even the blacked out wheels or those wheels right there. But nonetheless, I think they're kind of suiting for this particular casting, the style of a 90s car. All right, moving on to our next one. And this is also the 19, what do they call this one? They just call this Acura NSX, but it's more of like a racing Acura NSX. You can see it's like custom modded out and stuff like that. It's got that big plastic wing on there. It's got like an air intake for that mid-engine chrome interior on there. And we do get several different color variations of this one. So we'll throw that one up there. And we've got this one right here. This is, I believe it's a mystery one. This one came in one of the mystery car sets this year. And this one, again with the different plastic and metal wings, this one's got the metal wing on there. Whereas the previous one I showed you had the plastic wing on there. Mesh wheels, nice bottom there, colored bottom. Look at all the graphics and stuff all around it. Then we did get a white one right here. And I think this one might have been a mystery one as well. Maybe I'm mistaken, I can't remember exactly, but white with the gold wheels. We got the chrome interior on it. Look at all the graphics all over this one though. I like it. I think this one looks cool. That looks really, really fun. Then we did get a yellow one. Classic yellow blacked out wheels. AEM on the side, some sort of sponsorship. The Acura logo on the front, which is blacked, which is cool. Nice chrome engine bay on that one. And plastic wing on this one with a black bottom. And then we did get a premium variation of this one, which I'm not 100% sure which set this was. I think this was either the Project Cars 2 or the Cars and Donuts. If you guys comment down below, let me know which is the exact set this one came in. But plastic wing, but all metal body. So definitely a lot higher quality. And then this one does have the real riders on there, metal base. So it's a huge improvement over just the standard mainline ones. Very, very good detail. I like it. Nice weight of it as well. I'll throw that one up there. Then we move on to the Acura NSX concept. So before the newer version of the Acura NSX came out, they came out with a concept version, and Hot Wheels made the concept variation of it. So if we look on the bottom, it says 2012 Acura NSX concept right there. So this is one of those cars that they've done that. They did this with a Porsche 918 Spyder and a few other different castings where they came out with the concept variation first, and then they came out with the regular variation afterwards. This is another different colored of the concept one, which, to be honest, it looks very, very similar. We'll do a little bit of a comparison in a sec to the 2017 release casting of this one, but nice with the white with the red striping on there. And then we move to the standard variation, the non-concept variation. And you can see it does look very, very similar to this one. And this one on the bottom, it does specify 2017 Acura NSX. So let's actually grab this one and we can do a little bit of comparison. So here, this is the concept one right here. This is the regular production version from Acura. And you can see it's very, very similar. The production one, the 2017 one, looks a little bit wider and bigger from the side. Very, very similar. Let's see if our back. Again, it's just a little bit more detailed and widened out, but nonetheless, I think it looks very, very good. So we'll throw that one up there, and we get several different color variations of the 2017. This is kind of like a maroon color. I like these wheels, gray wheels on there. Good detail on the front and back. This one was a really good casting, really nice, like that blacked out roof on there, looks good. The blue one had that one as well. And then we have a yellow one. I love my yellow cars. Great detail on the front end of this one and on the back as well. And those wheels look good. There we go. And then we got another one of these ones with this one with the gray wheels on there, which I do like. Similar to the maroonish colored one. That one looks really good. Darker wheels on newer cars, in my opinion, just look a lot better. It's like a more aggressive look. And then our most special one probably is this one. It's our Zamac edition of the 2017 Acura NSX. Zamac release, Walmart exclusive if you're in the United States. And if you're not in the United States, unfortunately, very, very hard to get. But there it is, NSX Zamac edition. And there we have it. That is my Hot Wheels NSX collection. Let me know in the comment section down below which ones you have, and let me know if I'm missing any of the color variations. I'm always interested to see which ones I don't have. I never claim to have all of them for most of the showcase castings, but I do my best to collect them. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.